welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maliqua Jante, and we are back with another video. Y'all, we're in Dallas. Okay, but real talk, we are in Dallas. We are at Live by Loews. I think that Live by Loews, I think that's how you say it. But I want to give you a quick little room tour. It's really cute in here, and we got a nice little view. So first things first, this is what it looks like when you walk in. Very cute, or whatever. Ooh, back rolling. When you come to the left, there is a closet here. Open this up, extra bedding or pillows, some robes, iron, hangers, you know, little dresser situation. Real cute. We got a nice little mirror. How y'all doing? We live in. You come over here, there is the bathroom. It's giving nice shower. Oh, okay, shower, okay. Mirror. And then, you know, the toilet to do what you need to do. This closes so you can have your little privacy. Come in here. We have a nice little bed set up. It's a king size bed. You have your little nightstand over there, nightstand over there. What's over here? Notepad if I need to write some notes, Annie. Hotel, some hand sanitizer because it's necessary. COVID is still real, people. Okay? Because it has been sanitized per them. Okay? TV, little bench or whatever, a nice little desk, a nice little chase lounge situation. And then let's come over here. Y'all, do y'all see that? Let me zoom in. That is the AT&T Stadium, honey, where the Dallas Cowboys play. You see them flags waving? You'll see it. We had a nice little view. I can't wait to see. Ooh, what's over there? Look, distracted. I can't wait to see what it looks like at night because, whoa, you guys were zoomed all the way in. I can't wait to see what it looks like at night. This sun is really giving. It's flat now, but it's just, you know, red. No, that didn't do anything. Trying to sit you guys up. Ooh. No. You got two phones. You trying to figure out what's going on. Hello? Y'all giving me a lot. Okay, y'all, that was why did I answer? Why did I even answer? What was I saying before that call? I don't remember. But I need to figure out what I'm about to do, whether I'm going to shower or look at some emails first and then figure out what I'm going to do for dinner. But neither here nor there. Love my room. Love the view that I have. Love that the sun comes in, you know. It's gonna brighten my day. But I'm about to unpack, get settled. It's been a long little drive or whatever, and I'll tap back in when I figure out what I'm doing. Good morning. It is Tuesday, the day of my event. Your girl is, oh, sorry, my car is at valet. I need to go get it. But I woke up refreshed, ready for the day. It looks beautiful in Dallas. And yeah, I just want to tap on here and say, hey, how y'all doing? I don't really know how much I'm going to be able to show the event, but I'll see what I can do. It is an ed fair. So yeah, that is something nice, something that I think is important. When people are going to school, they need to see different varieties. So I'm going to head there, and yeah, she's cute. You know, she could look like a college student, and you know, you got to relate. I'm just playing, y'all. Let me get downstairs because I was supposed to bingo. All right, bye. Day in Dallas. I am packed up. As you can see, things are packed, honey. Packed. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and head on out, get on the road to get back to Houston. Let's see what this view is talking about. Oh yeah. Such a beautiful day in Dallas. There's that lovely AT&T Stadium. So pretty. Such a beautiful day. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna stop and get like something, maybe some Starbucks, and then get on the road. My face is a little dry, but that's okay. Yeah. So that's all I have for you guys today. Am I gonna wrap it up here? I think so. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and then we'll catch back in once we're on our next adventure. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Tuesday. What's today's day? Let's look. It is Tuesday, January 17th. And your girl is back in Dallas. This was the closest place to where I needed to go to. So here we are, back in Dallas. Maybe this is better lighting. Child, ooh, come on, son. Don't pay attention to these. Mind your business. But it is Tuesday. I just got in. My flight was at 8:30 this morning, and let's just say we were woken up by a fire alarm. Y'all, I had my alarm set to wake up at 6 o'clock so I can leave by 6:30. I was still laying in the bed by 6:13, 6:15, and what woke me up is the fire alarm. The freaking fire alarm in my complex. When I say it was screaming, it was screaming. And I think somebody just pulled it, or somebody accidentally pulled it, because nobody was outside. No fire truck showed up. I don't know if I should be concerned, because even if it's not a fire, I'm going to assume that the police department or the fire department should still show up, and they around the corner, so I'm just not understanding. But neither here nor there. The fire alarm woke your girl up, and we hopped out of bed, and we ran and got dressed. So we made it on time. So it's kind of like a blessing. It was a blessing that it happened, because if not, I would have still been snoozing in the bed. Only me. Things happen how they're supposed to. You know, God was looking out for your girl. He said, you're not listening to your phone alarm? Okay, I'm gonna wake you up. I'm gonna wake you up. And he woke me up, y'all. He woke me up. I was all type of disheveled and just, honey, misplaced. But we made it. Got our clear situation situated. And yeah, got on the flight, got here, got the rental car, and you know, everything moved smoothly. I am in what is this? A Chevy Malibu? Girl, I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I just picked the car on the thing, and you know, went on about my business. It's nice to get CarPlay and all of that fancy stuff inside, which is nice, you know, so I don't have to be using my phone and texting and driving and all of that, because that's not safe, guys. But I am currently at Nehemiah Coffee Co. because I'm going to sit here and do some work before I check into my hotel, because you guys know that checking in is like at 2-3 o'clock. Excuse me, and it is 10:48. So I'm going to try and get some work done here and then probably go grab lunch and then check into my hotel. But we're here. We made it, y'all. I hope y'all have a lovely day. Let's get into the things of life, which is doing some work. This is a part of virtual work that we just, you know, no matter where you are, get the work done. So that's what we're about to do. Yeah. Okay, girl. You see some different things in Dallas, but that's okay. This little complex is cute. Okay, it's cute. It's real cute, and it's connected to the coffee shop, so that's really adorable. Let me show y'all. Y'all see it? Little complex right there, and then the coffee shop is here. So let's go in here and see what's poppin'. You know, I'm not really a coffee drinker, but I do see, or I did see that they have like tea or whatever. So we'll try that out. Oh, her pants are cute. This is really cute. Get it, girl. Okay. Distracted easily. I'll go here, maybe get some tea, and, you know, do some work. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Look at it. It's so pretty. I love this for me, okay? I love this for me and my nice little cinnamon roll, okay? So pretty cute in here. Probably should have got some honey, because what's tea without honey, guys? So guys, I got the turmeric and ginger tea because, hello, we're still working on this immune system. We want to make sure we're good. And I got a nice little cinnamon roll. It is warm. We love that. He did give me a fork, so I don't know if he thought I was using my finger. Not gonna be a thing. So yeah. Oh, he did give me a fork. Look at me, not paying attention. It was my fault. So yeah, I'm about to do some work, and yeah, that's really what we're here for, is to do some work, okay? So I'll see you guys in a few.